Hello guys, today we are talking about artificial intelligence and how it makes content creation easier with some amazing apps. First up on my list is Adobe Podcast. I like how it works and how it enhances your speech. It works great when there is no option to record a good audio on set, and you don't have to be an editing expert. The Adobe Podcast does the job for you. Now let's talk about Remix Tool in Premiere Pro. Have you ever heard a song that is too long or too short for your video? Remix Tool has your back. Simply drag your audio onto timeline and now you can effortlessly change its length to match your video's rhythm. It works great with instrumental melodies, but be cautious with songs featuring lyrics. They might lose their sense and vibe during the stretching process. Moving on to Photoshop's new feature, the generative fill. Have you ever wondered if this wall is real? Nah, I photoshopped it. Or if you don't like plain walls, you can add a plant or anything else. Or if you want your horizontal video to be vertical, Photoshop got you covered. While I'm still exploring the functionality of this tool, I can't deny its potential. It might need a few updates to understand people better, but it's still already insane. And now let's talk about the ChatGPT. This program is a game changer for someone like me who isn't the best at writing and speaking. I use it to refine my scripts and make them structured and overall better. I write the draft of my script in notes, send it to ChatGPT, and voila, I've got a better text. It also helps me titling my videos too. I simply write "help me name my video about" and get a variety of suggestions to choose from. Incredible. So, those are the tools that help me with my workflow. Hope you found it interesting and helpful. Share your thoughts in comment section and follow for more.